Turning your engine, 10J5. Turning good. The front engines looks good, as you can see, no damage. Compressor look nice, not broken. Engine's turbo look as well, as you can see.
From this side, everything is good.
And on this side, engines look nice. Gearbox in a good condition, as you can see, no broken. And on this side, engines look as well. Starter look nice. Altimeter, no broken. And on the top, all connectors and injectors looking good. Have little damage on this plastic part, as you can see, but nothing critical. And on the bottom, no cracks, no leaks, no damage. And turning your engine, 10J5.